I'm back here on Ron Brown's YouTube channel. What we have today is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is that desert rose, desert something, desert color one. Just got it in yesterday. I know I must have ordered the wrong one. It took me more than a month to actually receive it. I guess it was a combination of the size, the color, the memory configuration, but it's here now. It's all that matters. And we've already got a screen protector in it. Also by Spigen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The same person we're going to talk about today, but I have a separate video. I'm going to have a separate video on how to put the screen protector on this. Yes, this is when you want to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I get that video posted. But back to this video. So what we have here is a special case. And why I call it a special case is this phone has a new camera button on the side here on, we'll call it the right side, the lower button. It's a camera, it's almost a camera shutter button. And it's got technology that I don't want to go into here because I don't understand it all, but it's not just a normal button. And if you just put a cutout in a case or something like that, it just won't work right. It has to have a special, I don't even know what the word is, special system. So I went on Amazon.com, and I've had good luck with these Spigen cases in the past. They're a big case maker. You'll see them all over Amazon.com. They sell probably millions of these things. But this is a special one. They call it the iPhone 6.9 2024, the Ultra Hybrid T, and of course this has MagFit. But the Hybrid T is for that camera button I just showed you on the side here. So let's do the unboxing real fast, and we'll do an install on the phone here. So it has like a little handy pull-up thing here. All right. So we don't have to cut anything open with a dangerous knife here. So we'll get the actual case out. See if there's anything else in here. Okay. It doesn't seem to be any literature or anything. And no instructions here of any type. Maybe it's in the plastic here. And this is made of 100% recycled paper. If anybody out there, if it's Earth Day or anything like that. So here's the case itself, wrapped in a typical plastic of these type of devices here. Okay, so we don't have any install guide or whatever because there is nothing to install. It looks like it has a piece of, it came with protective plastic. It's going to be hard to show because everything's clear. This is a clear case with a cutout for the MagSafe, but it has two things here. It has one here. I hope you can see that camera pull it out, and one on the other side. It keeps this clear glass, clear. I guess maybe cuts down the yellowing here until you actually get it in use. And these things they talk about online about their non-yellowing, whatever. I think almost any clear place is going to yellow after a certain thing. But if you're the type of person who keeps the phone for a year or two, you probably don't have to worry about it. And here's that special, Ultra T camera button right there down there. In fact, you can kind of see it. It looks a little bit different. It's like kind of a grayish or an off-white color rather than the clear. So that's that special button I'm talking about here that you need to have the new camera button to work correctly here. So let's go ahead and pull the plastic off and get ready to install this phone. I'll try not to touch anything so there won't be any fingerprints. Okay, so here's that first piece pulled off. And I'm going to just touch on the sides here. And here's, the one on the inside pulled off. I lost it there for a second. Okay, so that's pulled off. So now I'm only touching the sides here. So we're going to take our phone here. And you see where the camera bump is here. So we're going to get it in there. Push it down one side first, one side second, and it looks like I have it all the way in there. It's fitting perfectly. It's tight in there, but looks like all the buttons are lined up there on the side, and you see the Spigen logo there down in the corner. Hope you can see that on the camera there, and it looks nice, and you can still see the kind of desert rosy thing to the back there. Almost looks kind of pink in some ways or another. I hate to say pink, but it's got the bumpers down here. The Spigen always had the bumpers on the four corners. You see there. And then they also have, looks like they have a little, maybe a heat release thing going on down there too. So so that's good. You don't have to unlock the phone or anything now with that camera button. You just say, say I'm going to take a kind of Instagram, portrait shot here. I would just hit the button once, and maybe I'll do it towards you so you can see what's going on. Okay, so we went right into the camera mode, just hitting that once, and then I hit it again, and just took a photo. But I can also, change things like if you hold this down. I hope I can show you this. Okay, if you hold that down, it shoots video, and as soon as you let go, it ends the video. So that's pretty neat. And I think if you press it, oops, I didn't mean to do that. My photo's good. So somehow if you hit this, you can change the zoom on it. I don't know if I could show you that. Let's try this here. Let's hit this, the camera button again. Okay, see on the side there, on the right-hand side, I can change the zoom by moving my fingers up and down, on the side there. I mean, this is very controversial, this new button here. A lot of people hate it, don't think it's any good. I have, again, I just got this thing in, so I haven't formed any opinion yet on whether it's good, bad, indifferent, but we'll cover that more in a later video here. So, again, this first time putting on, so this isn't really in a review, this is kind of unboxing and first look. I mean, I've always used Spigen cases. I've always had good luck with them, but I will come back, in 6 months or so and let you know how this thing's working out. Now, I did get this on Amazon.com. I will drop affiliate links down below. I am Amazon affiliate seller, so I do get a small commission on anything you purchase through my links. So it's an easy way to help the channel. It doesn't cost you any extra and helps me get new things like this into review. And now, I do want to, forewarn you that this does cost a few dollars extra than the one that doesn't have the, let me look at it again here. I want to say the wrong thing. The hybrid, ultra hybrid T with it, with that special button inside. I think this goes for like around $28, $29. It was a built-in coupon. I got a couple bucks off right away. But if you went with the one without that special button, I think it would only be like around $20 or maybe $18, $19 with a clickable coupon, on the Amazon.com site there. So just bear in mind that this will cost you a little extra. So if you don't think you're ever going to use that camera button aside, or you think it's junk or whatever, I don't know how you think it's going to junk if you don't have the phone yet. But if you do, you could just get the less model. I will list both models down. Affiliate links for the one that's Ultra T and normal model without the Ultra T. So I paid for this case with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. Spigen did not send me the product. They don't know I'm doing this video. They have no editorial content. So just full disclosure on that. So if you got anything on the video, give me a thumbs up. We already talked about subscribing and ringing the notification bell. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video.